Dear friends, in the last video what we spoke was about people skills. We were talking about what companies expect and what is that you have to learn. The point number 1 we spoke was about people skills, how good you should learn people skills. So point number 2 then, your communication skills. Hey, communication skills doesn't matter. I don't say that you should learn excellent English or excellent Hindi. But I want to tell you, companies expect these best of languages. I have traveled extensively across in this last 10 years to various companies. I have delivered my sessions. What do companies expect? If you want to interact with people tomorrow, you should know basic languages. Sir, what are basic languages? Many people, when I speak about South Indians, we are good at Hindi, we are good at Kannada, and we are good at Telugu or Tamil or Malayalam. Okay, but are we really excellent at English? Tomorrow, my dear friends, if the common language in any executive level, in any office, in organization level is English. You should learn English first. Hey, don't say that you leave your languages. You leave your language, your mother tongue. But tomorrow, once you enter into the corporate world, English language is a mandatory language when you want to interact with so many. And sir, what is the other language? Hindi. Hindi. In my 10 years of my sessions, I've delivered my sessions in Hindi, I've delivered my sessions in English, and some in Kannada and some in Telugu. Because of these 4 languages which I know, within a very short span, I could really succeed in this corporate arena. The more languages you have a command, the more authority you gain, because you can attract, you can influence people with your language. So point number 1 in this communication skills, the best of languages, Hindi, English, and your basic languages have to be learned. But never forget to learn these 2 basic languages, English and Hindi. Sir, what is the other point? The other point in communication skills is, my dear friends, communication skills is not about speaking high level language, the language the other person can understand. Majority of us, we don't know how to behave with people, majorly interpersonal skills. We call it as interpersonal skills. Many of the companies, when they invite me, when I ask the HR, what is that they want from me in communication skills? Vishwanath, interpersonal relationships. Interpersonal relationships are mandatory, my dear friends, when you know, when you want to learn, and you have to learn, I must. Sir, what are interpersonal relationships or what are interpersonal skills? It is how you speak with others, understanding them properly, maybe calling with their name, using prefix and suffix like sir, madam. I have seen majority of the graduates nowadays, the way they speak even to a professional or an official without using a prefix or a suffix. Maybe it is Mr. or maybe it is Sir. Somebody asks you, what is your name? My name, Vishwanath. Is this the way you speak? You don't have that concern of addressing the opposite person with some sir or madam. These basic interpersonal relationships. Maybe sometimes using please, sometimes using the word thank you, sometimes apologizing, saying, sometimes you make a mistake, say using the word sorry. These are the basic interpersonal relationship skills you have to learn. Yes, so communication is a very important aspect what companies do expect in. And you can just check in the interviews or in the group discussions, they look these 2 skills. That is the reason they call you there to check how you are good at these 2 skills. Yes, so if you can go back, I was talking about the criteria. The criteria is again the communication skills. So learn this in your graduation time. Learn these 2 things. One is languages and the other one is interpersonal relationships. Thank you.